선명하게 나의 아니 자주 난 어제 일처럼 선명하게 나의 너의 흔적 없이 말리는 것 같아 일상 속에도 번져 그 색깔이 바래졌어 떠났지만 여전히 머물러 날 잡아주는
Eh? Oh. Hey, what are the plans? What is she doing with her life? She go for a walk and celebrate her life. How many years now? 75. Ooh, wow. Big girl.
I just wanna be with you, babe. I just 남겨진 향기 가끔 내 방안을 채워도 여기저기에 숨어 있어 내 맘 곳곳에서 yeah. 너의 의자에 남아있는 온기를 느껴 때때로 먼지 덮인 그 잔들이 시간을 멈춰 떠났지만 여전히 머물러 날 잡아주는 너 다가가도 멀게만 느껴져 Just wanna be with you
Eh? Yeah, got a life. No, I don't look for perfection, you know. Okay, life. Yeah, exactly. Nothing serious.
pajamas and clothes and
Oh, wow. Nice. I'm exhausted, okay? My social bundles are finished. Welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I haven't greeted you guys. I am from my niece's ballet concert. It was lovely. She had stopped dancing for a few years now. It's so lovely to see her dance again. The mess is my reality. Look, I've got a shoe on the cupboard because I was wearing these shoes. On the kitchen counter. Whole messy. The iron from before I left, whatever. And I've just done an unboxing of a friend of mine bought me for my birthday. The Tolo, she did my nails, my feet, my lashes. I am so grateful. This has been an amazing birthday. Tomorrow I will do more things. I'll show you more things that I got as gifts from other people as well. I'm just too tired now, but I thought let me come on here and say hello. I hope you guys are good. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Enjoy the vlog and let's see what happens for the next few days. Ciao. So I'm attending the 7:30 service for the very first time today, which I'm very excited about, which means by 9:30 I'll be back home, which is great. I'm here a bit too early. Anyway, I can chill a little bit before going to church. There's quite a few cars already. So people do wake up quite early in the morning to come to church, which is great.
그냥 핸드폰 보고 있었지. 자야지 이제. 바이. 나만 왜 이러냐 진짜.
새벽 2시 폰을 열어 남들 인생 둘러보면 생각해 이제는 좋겠네 뭐 하는 걸까 에라 모르겠다 이제 덮어둘러야 다시가 Refocus your mind 이제 정신 차리고 제대로 생각해봐 새벽 3시 폰을 닫아 넌 감정 없이 거울 보면 생각해 좀만 예뻤으면 좀만 날씬했으면 뭐 하는 걸까 에라 모르겠다 이제
Yes, sir.
Five, three, action. Naman. Bendikufunde kwi-newspaper ke bantu kubone phaa ingathi ugeyinile mntanam.
The-water weight, it happens.
Hayi funeke siyilungise le nto yakho ndithe kwehlukana ube utyana nezonka phaa nemingqusho no ndingumama ke funeke ndilungise.
Thank you.
어릴 때 원했던 어른이 됐나 Thought I found oh she's mine 놓칠까 달렸던 나 Let's just take it slowly 늦은 어떤 때 같은 곳을 바라보고 있잖아 Go anywhere you want to underneath the vision oh sometimes wish I knew it too 네가 그립다고는 못하겠어 난 아직조차 가고 있어 사실 난 Oh sometimes wish I knew it to you Fly away from tomorrow 이제는 너무 멀리 와버렸던 거야 Yeah I need you need me too I'm still chasing that mind all the time yeah. I need you need me too 그때 신기루 I need you need me too I'm still chasing that mind all the time yeah. I need you need me too 그때 신기루
Car.
Take her.
What does it mean then?
Igama lami lisho ukuthi lo okhetha ukuthula even when peace is not an option. Angisaphathi ke mawukuthi laba sebeduze nawe ibona abafuna ukukulinga nje. Yazi vele ngiyithulele nje.
Yo, I never thought of it that way, you know? It's a very powerful name. Mara, do you know what mine means?
Anginandaba nalelo gama lakho.
Okay, happy Monday. So next day, I wanted to show you guys the gifts that I said that I still wanted to show you. This is such a special one. So one of my team members, the one who got me flowers, previous video was about my birthday. So it's a birthday gift for those who have not watched the previous video. And this is the t-shirt. Look at that. It is written Sister Boss. So they customized this t-shirt. It's a regular t-shirt from Edgar's. And then they got someone to create this. If you know, I love beret sandals. This is so me. And obviously, because I'm the manager, they call me Sister Boss. I can't wait to rock this. Like, I'll probably rock it with like a beret, the whole vibe. I'm gonna look so cute. Anyway, very, very grateful. And then I also told you in my last video that my team that I belong to, there's 5 of us, every time it's somebody's birthday, they give you money and take you out for breakfast. So you guys did see the breakfast and everything like that. And this is what I did with the money, because I've been looking for a work bag. And a couple of videos, a couple of months ago, I showed you this bag from Fashini that I wanted it for work, and I got it. So this is the beautiful work bag from Luella and Fashini. Really, really great. Let me show you guys in detail, because my current work bag doesn't really fit a laptop, but I force it, obviously. So this one looks like this. So 3 compartments, got that one, and then it's got the middle one, okay, and then it's got the third one like this. And it's also got a gold chain that is a bit longer. I got hair in my mouth. And then so this is how I look when I go to work. See how cute? I'm so obsessed with it. It was 1,000 rand. So yeah, I used all that money for this. I am so happy with my purchase. They also have their normal biggish bags, you know what I'm saying? I was like, I like this one. I like really how I just love it. It's just so beautiful. So me, I can't do backpacks. I mean, my styling of clothing, my aesthetics does not allow for a backpack. That's what we get from work. And there's also those ones, remember, the typical laptop bags. They're not cute. So I'm glad that a lot of brands are now making more stylish. And this, what's nice about it, I feel like it's unisex. If you've got a guy who's quite metrosexual and likes looking cute, this would look just as good on them. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. Anyway, I have a bit of work to do before I go to work. I've got interviews today with Woolworths, and they have a lot of what do you call it, of candidates, 6 people that will be interviewing. So it's going to be a long day, and there's other things I need to do after work as well. So we'll see how my day goes. Yeah, I hope I get the perfect candidate for the store specifically, because I really need to revive that store. And what else, guys? So yeah, that's basically it. What I don't like about today is that usually Mondays are my work from home days. So obviously I'm forfeiting that day because the retailer wanted us to do the interviews today, and we postponed what we were supposed to have last week because the candidates were not answering their calls. So now it was moved to today. Anyway, it's Alibona. It's time we all the scene. Chef. Long walk to freedom. Anyway, going up to Woolworths. Had to park my car very far. So let's see just now. See the state of my hair? That is my state of my day, because it's a mess. Not because the day was bad. I'm disoriented because Mondays I'm home doing admin. But now my day's about to start and it's 5:15 because I had interviews and I had to go to Greta for stock things that needed to be sorted out. My day started. I am so hungry. And I think I'm going to undo with my rule of if I've got work to do, I'd rather bath or shower last. But I think today I just need to shower and be strong and work until I'm done. Because unfortunately there will be no sleep if I force myself to sleep and everything. One thing I'm grateful for is that I almost decided to work out in the evening. Well, I was going to do a second workout in the evening. But the fact that I worked out this morning, I feel like that's okay. I've done my part. And also that I worked, my last trip was closer to home, which means I didn't spend time in traffic. Tomorrow is Mpumalanga, off to Witbank. Also for some stock things that I need to do. But yeah, your girl is tired. I look cute, but I feel like my work needs overalls because, wow. I'm making girl dinner. Something quick and easy. Noodles with eggs. Done. This pineapple is so sweet. I think I've had it for over a week. So I just pack it into slices like that. And it's tasting so sweet. The joys of staying alone, you can just drink things from the jar. No hygiene issues. You know what I'm saying? The joys. Love it. This is Tsakani Hlongwane reporting live from the home office. Washed or showered, had dinner, washed the dishes, and now we're ready to work. Second shift of my work. Said we wanted to work. Said we wanted to make our own money. So here we are at 7:14 in the evening, about to start my second shift. I will report back when we are done. Oh, it's better lighting this side. Can you see? Oh, I'm obsessed with my lashes. Pity we can't see them nicely because of wearing glasses. Can't wait to have my contact lenses. Still waiting for the order to be delivered. Anyway, let me work. See you guys just now. I'm very chatty, distracting myself from doing what I should be doing.
I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. My thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah. Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love.
I have no business getting Krispy Kreme. No business whatsoever. But I'm gonna have it for my heart, for my soul, for my exhaustion. Driving to Witbank always drains me. The way I feel so sleepy. What's worse is that when I was driving here, I was in a training, and this training was done by someone who's not South African, like international people, in the accent. So it was so hard. And now I'm just like, girl, for the next 2 hours driving back to Joburg, get yourself Krispy Kreme. Well, it was just next to me, actually. I'm not always that easily tempted because most of the Krispy Kremes in the stores I visit are very far, but this one was just so close, and I was like, I'm gonna have it. Anyway, driving back home, and it's been a day and a half. It's been a day. Anyway, cool vibes. See you guys. Finally home, another day to praise God that we made it home safely. It was touch and go at some point there. You know, I was saying to one of my team members then in Witbank, I felt more that I don't know why I don't get used to driving to Witbank. And she said something that's so true. She says a lot of people think it's close. So only once you start driving, you realize how far it is, and that's what messes you up. And she didn't tell a lie. She didn't tell a lie. Anyway, I think my vlog will end here. The rest of whatever you'll see will not be me talking. I do not have the capacity to talk any further. I've gone through so many emotions today. So many. Even tears came out at some point. But we are here. We will live to testify about the goodness of the Lord in the land of the living. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Thank you so much for watching this far. And please do watch until the end. And thank you for everything. I appreciate you guys more than you'll ever know. Bye.